Good day, this is Big Bad Jan and welcome back to my channel, and today we're here at the Sana Garden. Let's go! So dito guys, marami silang amenities dito. They have function halls, they have sports facilities like basketball, table tennis, badminton, swimming pools, covered pools. Maganda covered pool nila kasi hindi ka mangingitim kahit maghapon kang mag-swimming. Yan, may function hall sila dito. So dito yung parang pinaka-cafe nila. Meron pa din dun sa ibang buildings. So dito pwede kang bumili ng mga swimwear pag wala kang swimwear. Kasi dito kailangan naka-swimsuit ka. You have to wear swimsuits. So you have to buy one or you have to bring a swimsuit or a trunks for male. Yes, yan. Eh, hindi kami nakadala ng swimwear, kaya yan, namili kami. Yan, dito sila, they have food. You can ask for food, and you have to get a badge like this in order for you to get in. The people here are friendly, they are approachable. Like this, guys. Nice dito. Huh? Also dito for women. Swimming, and then the locker room. So nga pala guys, pwede na rin magdala dito. Dati kasi hindi pwede magdala ng food dito, pero ngayon pwede na. Shower rooms. Malinis siya guys. And punta tayo sa pool mismo. dito. Pwede may daanan dito. Pwede dito magdala ng pagkain. Dati kasi hindi pwede magdala ng pagkain. It's prohibited to bring food here before, but now they said it's okay, so we brought our own food. And maybe you can just order from their menus. They have delicious food here actually. You can order any Thai food. That's okay. You can order any Thai food here. It's delicious. Yeah, that's in charge. She's the in charge. Look at the pool. It's huge. And it's covered. So you don't have to worry in getting dark after swimming. So trip namin ngayon mag-swimming. Gaganon mo yung parang badge mo.
Kaya nga.
Sulit siya guys dito. Ang ganda dito, parang solong-solo niya yung pool.
Ayan, napakalinis. Kami lang.
Saka yung iba yung nagpa-practice, may nagpa-practice.
Pero sobrang konti lang ng tao. Saka malamig kasi hindi covered siya guys. Ayan. Tapos may monthly sila dito. Pwede kayo magpa-member. 1,500 lang. For 1 month. Good for 1 month. So parang 15 days lang yung binayaran nyo pero isang buong buwan na yun. So very good for a month. So kahit araw-arawin nyo, wala problema. And they close until 8 PM at night. So for those who are interested, you can just go here at Tasana Garden. So guys, yun muna tayo ulit.
Ito yung sa sa mga pambata. Gatuhod. Gabewang pala, gabewang. Ito yung sa gatuhod. Meron ding slides, water slides. So, maganda nga dito guys kasi hindi mainit. Hindi ka mangingitim sa mga conscious dyan sa kutis nila. Ito, 150 lang yung entrance guys. 150. Kung hindi marunong lumangoy dito, pwede dito. Bewang lang dito. Enjoy na enjoy sila. Saka maganda rin dito, maraming lifeguard. Nakaantabay talaga. So safe na safe. Siyempre, precaution na lang din. Ingat-ingat.